This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Raricap FCM Injection is an effective treatment for iron deficiency anemia. It is specifically designed for those who cannot take oral iron supplements. Indications and uses. This injection is indicated for the management of iron deficiency anemia in adults and children over 14 years of age, especially for individuals unable to tolerate oral iron supplements, those requiring rapid iron replenishment, or patients with non-dialysis-dependent chronic kidney disease. It is crucial for the production of hemoglobin and proper oxygen transport in the body. How it works. Raricap FCM injection works by releasing iron from a complex of iron, ferric, hydroxide and carboxymaltose, which aids in hemoglobin synthesis and increases red blood cell count. Directions for use. The injection will be administered by a qualified healthcare professional through an intravenous route. The exact dosage and duration depend on the patient's age, weight, and the severity of the anemia. It's essential to follow the doctor's instructions carefully to ensure safe and effective treatment. Possible side effects. Potential side effects may include headache, dizziness, nausea, and reactions at the injection site. More serious symptoms should be reported immediately to a healthcare provider. Precautions and warnings. Caution is advised for individuals who are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have underlying health conditions such as chronic kidney or liver disease. Always consult with a healthcare professional before receiving treatment to ensure safety. FAQs. 1. What is the use of this injection? It is used to correct iron deficiency anemia in adults and children over 14. 2. How long does it take to see results? Some may notice improvements within days, full effects may take weeks. 3. Are there any common side effects? Yes, these may include headache, dizziness, and nausea. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is appreciated.